All right, class?
Yes, yes.
We're going to go through some examples for how to graph inequalities from lesson 2A. And this is going to be part of your assignment anyway. So let's start with number 2, page 106. We'll do a few of these together so you get the idea. It says graph the solutions for each inequality. It gives you y is greater than 2. So here's what you need to do. You need to draw a number line. There we go. Draw a number line next to it. And mark 0 on the number line. Remember, this procedure is in your notes, so make sure that you follow all these steps. This is going to be the graph for y, so we're going to put y next to it, a label that this is the graph for y. Okay? And we're going to mark the number that's listed on the number line. It's a positive 2. And then we're going to use a certain type of dot to mark the number. Should we use an open dot or a solid dot? No.
Solid.
A solid dot? No.
Okay.
It's an what?
Open dot.
An open dot. Right. So you're just going to put a circle on the number. And now we're going to graph what y is. Y is greater than 2. Notice the variable is written first. That means the arrow that we draw is going to go the same direction. Y is greater than 2. Now, put your arrow above the line, because if you put it on the line, you can't see it. Okay? Put the arrow above the line when you draw these lines. Okay? Number 4. C is less than 1. Draw your number line. Mark the number. Open dot again because it's just the less than sign. It doesn't have the line underneath it.
What's the line do?
And then label this line C. Draw the arrow to the left because C is less than 1. Right? Number 6 is also one with just an open dot. Let's go to number 8, because that one's a little bit different. That one is B is greater than or equal to 6. B greater than or equal to 6. Okay? So draw the number line. Mark 0. Mark 6. Now in this one, notice the symbol has the line underneath. That means greater than or equal to. Okay? Greater than or equal to. We have to use a solid dot for greater than or equal to signs. And then the variable is first, so we arrow to the right. And this is the graph for letter B. Label it letter B. Okay. So that takes care of the first section for you. Okay? Second section is giving you the graph, like in number 14, where it shows a number line. And it has the number 2 marked with a solid dot. And the arrow goes to the right. Now you would write the number line, or the inequality for this. Now, since this is not labeled, we'll just use n. That means a number.
Okay.
N is a number. And so we'll write n is, points to the right, so n is greater than. This also uses a solid dot So it's greater than or,
Less than.
no, or equal to. The solid dot means we put the line under the symbol. That means that 2 could be part of our solution. Okay? That would mean like, I will give you 2 or more candy bars at the end of class. 2 or more candy bars. That means greater 2 could be part of a solution. Okay? I wish. Oh, I wish I could give you 2 or more candy bars.
Wait, 2 words of it.
Right? So that's what that section is. Alright? So we worked on writing inequalities and graphing inequalities. Okay, those are the 2 things that you need to be able to do in this lesson. Any questions? Alright.